up that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't.
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you are not new here, hey girl, what's up? In today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be working with UNiceHair, and they sent me this transparent lace 13x4 lace frontal wig unit, and it is their highlight reddish brown curly hair unit in 24 inches. We're really nice and full, and in today's video I pretty much just showed you how I did this quick and easy glueless install. So if you'd like to see how I did it, just keep on watching, and the links for this unit will be in the description box below.
I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with another day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you away. You don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix it. You know that's my sister. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missus. I say we think different. I see why your heart's I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Ready? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fly, I get burned. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. You used to say you didn't know love. I used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get up though. And I know, you want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we a chill with Noel and party, a dance and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird version. Back it up high, you look like the body die me. Oh God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 Dance and tease, man. How you want to run like a nothing? I think dance for me and have my head stiff. Yeah. No fair, no cares. Because who cares? Time she said yes and it never go nowhere. Yeah, I see why your heart's I see. Come baby, come try me. Everybody run by me. Yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, I have murder, you twist and turn, yeah. Look how you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy, your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and knee. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease, man. Dance and tease, man.
All you wanna do is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Well, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, baby, when we gon' slide. Slide. If we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing our thing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Well, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide. Baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
I need a vacation. I need my bitch in an apron. Booty all out cooking bacon. Orange juice and ace we drinking. I only come out when the stars out. I'm on a mission but we fall out. The city talking with a large mouth. Yeah, they after the boy like Fallout. 400. Drop it, give me 50, girl, drop it, give me 50. Used to slide with me, but you be tripping when you miss me. You gon' hold me close and on your neck gon' be a hit. I ain't gotta do too much, I know what get you stick. I ain't gotta know astrology, I know your vibe. Skip the foreplay, you don't let niggas fuck with your mind. I ain't giving out apology when I'm behind. Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Moving too fast, candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Fucking up 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Boy, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Yeah, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide.
Fucking up the streets of the brand new ride.
Alright you guys, so this wig is from UNiceHair and they decided to send me this gorgeous 24-inch reddish brown highlight unit. It's very subtle, but you can definitely see it like once you step out into like some sunlight, and you can see it like throughout the wig. Like it's definitely there. But so far so good. It is in 24 inches and this is where it's at. When I put it to the back, it is definitely a bit longer, so it's about bra strap length, like a little below bra strap length when you put it to the back. And yeah, it's cute. The unit is really nice and full and I love it. This was a super quick and easy install because there is a reinforced band which allows for this unit to be 100% glueless. So all I had to do was just spray a little spray, tie the unit down, and we were good to go. And the hair is nice and soft. It is really full and I'm loving it. So if you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So don't forget to go ahead and check that out, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.